Today we test a very special bike. That's a Ducati Panigale V2 Troy Bayliss edition. And we will test it on our dyno test bench built on purpose for motorcycle. It's compact, safe and easy to use. And today I will show you how to use it step by step. To start, we will couple the Dynomag Bike to the Dynomag hub. We will block the two flanges together through the 3 bolts. Here we place the ramp on the hook. And here we put the bike on the bench with the ramp we set up before. We fix the front tire to the strut through this belt. And finally, we fix the bike through the lateral belts. And we configure the dyno bike mode. And now we will start a sweep test. On the left-hand side, we will show some of the sensors we are interested in, as the RPM engine, the hub load, and the speed. On the right side, we will see the live charts. The test will start from 3,500 RPM and it will last for 15 seconds. Let's give a look at the results. Here we can see that the max engine power is around 138 horsepower, while the max engine torque is 101 Newton meters. As we see, the torque graph is almost linear in the first part and it starts increasing around 6,600 RPM, reaching the peak around 8,700 RPM. About the power torque, we see that it increases really rapidly in the first part, but it gets the peak around 10,000 RPM. Are you curious to know everything about our Dynomag bike? Please visit our website, magicmotorsport.com.